Bueno, bienvenidos mi casa. Welcome to my house, friends. Come on in, let's check it out. I can't do this, bro. I'm a Mexican. I can't even speak Spanish. Let's get rid of this stuff. Hey, what's up, everybody? Happy's from Happy Trails here. Just checking my blinker fluid, making sure everything's good. Because maintenance is everybody's responsibility. Hi, Mochi. Hey, what's up, bro? Happy from Happy Trails here. Welcome to my humble abode.
Dude, where are your pants?
Oh. Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? Happy from Happy Trails. Just using a wine bottle opener to tighten up my muffler bearings here, because safety never takes a day off. All right. Help. All right. Let's do this band tour. So then another cool thing about this is, like if you look around here, are you looking at my bum? Are you looking at my bum? Don't look at my bum. Bum looker. Cheeky monkey. So, anyway, one of the cool things about this is... Hey, what's up, guys? Happy from Happy Trails. How you guys doing? Oh, I'll be right back. Just kidding. I got shorts on. Let's go.